Hounds have come to the dog park today. Angus just stopping to cool off. Much cooler. We haven't been out during the day for quite a while. We've been going late at night. But it's much cooler today, so suitable for hounds to be out and about. We're just stopping at the creek here for Angus to have a drink and a cool off. Millie doesn't get in the creek. She'll probably go down and have a drink shortly. Come on, Millie. Come on. Have your drink. Come on, come and have your drink. Angus is ready to move along. You ready to go, Angus? Do you want to go down to the seesaw? Looks like Millie's not interested in having a drink today. Probably because it's not as hot. We'll carry on down to the agility area. Angus can have a run over the seesaw thing. And then it's off for a bath and then home for lunch. Good girl, Millie. Look at the agility. Good God. You practically can't see them because they're so fast. Come on. Good hound.
Millie, do you want to go through the pool?
Clever hound. Jeepers.
Millie likes this one.
Sometimes Millie does this one. Sometimes not. Not as much today.
We'll try. It's fine.
But for Basset hounds, they're doing pretty well. All things being equal. You want to go through the tunnel, Angus? Looking at something over there. I think there must be a dog over there somewhere. Whew! Wow, look at that. That was clever, Angus. Come on.
Good boy.
There he is. Come on, come back through the tunnel. No.
Should we try the tyre?
Do you want to go through the tyre, Angus? Come on. Come on. Good hound. Angus doesn't really like this one, but he might do it for us today. No, not today. You going to go through the tyre or no? That's a no. Alright. You guys ready for some lunch? Come on then, let's go get lunch. We've just had a little break at the seat here. Got a nice little view of the creek there. We've been chilling out here for a while waiting for the rain to pass, and it's lessened, so we're going to move on. It's time for the hounds to go home for their lunch. You ready to go, Millie? You hungry? Angus, are you hungry? You ready for lunch? You guys want some treats? Come on then. Let's go home. Come on, let's go.